guys, today I have an unboxing for you from Bathing Nerdy, and it's one of my favorite companies. And wait till you see what I have in here. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what I have in here. All right, so here's her card with all of her information, which will also be listed at the bottom of the YouTube video. All right, so here we go, here we go. I can't wait. Wait till you see, wait till you see. All right, let's see. I only got a few, and there was only one reason I got it. Of course, everything is super wrapped, and this is the reason. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. This is the item that I was tripping about. Look at her, Demon Slayer. This is the whole reason I bought from Bathing Nerdy this time, because this is for my granddaughter. She loves this character. This is called Blood Demon Art. The scent looks amazing. I might have to keep this. She ain't gonna get it. Kidding. I'm actually gonna order one more so she can keep an extra, and then she could use this one. So what else did I get? So that was the only reason I placed the order. So I didn't order for much. I only placed an order for a couple. Then I got a few of the Easter bath bombs, just so that make this thing worth the shipping. This is Ain't No Yolk, pineapple and orange. Smells really delicious right through the packaging. Then look at this. It's a creepy bunny. What's it called? Basket of Creeps. Juicy lemon bakery scent. Beautiful. And then lastly, I got this little, I guess it's a dead animal inside his egg. And it's called Spoiled Rotten. And just because it's so cute, and it'll make a cute bath bomb demo. Really quick unboxing, huh? So that's it for this unboxing. Again, Bathing Nerdy. I believe they have a release coming up soon. Either way, I'm going to place another order because I need another one of these. And so check out their website, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.